welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming from my bathroom because we are going to be doing a bathroom reorganization. Some parts of my bathroom right now are just kind of a mess, and I really just want to make everything super beautiful and clean. So my bathroom isn't like super horribly ugly, it's just not really up to my glamour level of what I want for it to be. The inspiration for what my whole bathroom is going to be off of is this cabinet behind me here. I reorganized that a little while ago and I was like, wow, this is so pretty. I want to redo my whole bathroom like this because there were so many parts that just were so unorganized and just like ugly, and I really just want the whole thing to be super beautiful. I have also done this kind of over time, done little parts of it in like DIY videos and stuff, but there's lots more to do, so I will show you guys the before of my bathroom and kind of the process that I took to glamify it. So this is my bathroom now. It isn't a complete train wreck because I do like to keep things kind of tidy. The main point is it's not luxury or glamorous, and also the closet in my bathroom is a complete mess, so I'll definitely be putting a lot of effort into that. So first I'm just going to clear everything off my counter and take everything out of this little center container here because I'm going to be replacing that with a prettier one, which is this mirrored one here, and I also have a matching mirrored perfume display, and these are just going to match the aesthetic of my bathroom a lot better. Now I'm just going to put all of my everyday products in here, like my face wash and some of my favorite makeup things, just so everything is super accessible. And now I'm just going to display my most favorite perfumes on this gorgeous mirrored platter, which I got from HomeGoods, by the way. And then I'm just going to add these super pretty roses right here. Over here I'm just going to add my brand new pink toothbrush, my soap dispenser, and then a matching pink cup. So over here, continuing with the mirror trend, I put this cute little square of mirror underneath my Eternal wand just to display it a little bit better. And then I'm also going to put my makeup brushes over here as well, and they will also kind of help to hide the cord. So first I'm going to start by just going through all my drawers and emptying them all out completely. And then while they're all empty, I'm just going to wipe down all of the bottoms of the drawers. And now starting on the project, this is what we're going to be using on the side of the drawers. I got it from Amazon and it's called dentil molding. Once I cut the right length of the dentil molding for the drawer, I'm just going to make marks 1.5 inches down on the drawer. And I'm just going to take my handy hot glue gun and just hot glue everything into place. And now you're just going to do the same thing on both of the other drawers as well. I got this sticky drawer liner from Joann Fabrics to go underneath the fabric that I got for my drawer liner. Once I get my sticky drawer liner in, I'm just going to go and get my fabric and measure out the exact measurements of the drawer and then cut that out. And then you just put both of them into all the drawers. So this is what I got for my drawer organizers. It is pre-cut acrylic from Lowe's, and for all of my pieces, which I think I bought even too much, it was only like $21. So now I just have to start filling my drawers and deciding where I want to slide the organizers in. So here I have all my palettes and I have them in the perfect sized section, and then I'm also just going to slide in one more behind it to put all of my liquid lipsticks into, or at least some of them. And then another idea, if you have something like lipsticks that are shorter, is just to add foam, that way they sit higher up in the organizer. And then I'm doing my top drawer here, which is a little bit less cute and makeup-y because this is my every night type stuff, but it was really nice to have everything so custom. And now I'm also doing my third drawer, which has most of my backup makeup and everything, but we will check back on that in the reveal. So I went to HomeGoods for this. I got these cute little shower curtain hooks, a super pretty silver caddy for all my shower stuff, and then a shimmery white shower curtain. So I'm just going to take everything out and get rid of my old shower caddy, which is definitely past its date, and replace it with my new shiny silver one. And then I'm just going to fill it with all of my shower stuff. Now I'm just going to replace my shower curtain, which is going to make such a huge difference. I'm just going to unhook all these and then rehook the new one on with all my new hooks as well. And I also gave it a quick steam just to release any of the main wrinkles in it. So this is the big one here, the closet. So I'm just going to start by taking everything out of the closet. That way I can start organizing and getting rid of stuff. And I'm also just going to wipe down everything now that it's empty. So now that everything is out onto my bathroom floor, I can start going through all of it and getting rid of things. For the lotions, my method was just to pick out everything that I knew I wanted to keep, and then whatever was left over I got rid of. I got these super beautiful white containers from IKEA to put all of my stuff into, and I'm combining all of my perfumes and my lotions into this one. I ended up getting rid of about like half of my perfumes, so now they all fit into one container even with the lotions now. I also got these beautiful rope storage baskets from Target that I'm going to put my toilet paper in. Next, in this one, I'm just going to be putting like tissues and paper towels and maybe also some cotton balls and stuff like that. And then those will just go at the bottom of my closet down here. Now I'm going to start filling up all of my white IKEA containers with the various things from my closet that I narrowed down and cleaned out. Like, I definitely got rid of a ton of these makeup bags, and these are just the ones that are remaining. And then my nail polish was a huge project in itself. I got rid of probably like maybe a third of them. And now I'm just going to start putting all of my filled IKEA storage bins back into the closet. And they are all ready for me to add my little labels. So I'm just going to be printing out my labels in a font versus handwriting them because my handwriting isn't really all that great. So I just have a little grid here based on the label frames that I got. And I am just in Adobe Photoshop here. So then I just picked out the font that I liked and made sure my resolution was high for printing. And then I just went ahead and printed them out onto this nice thick cardstock here. So I actually had a hard time finding the perfect label holders, and these ones are by Martha Stewart from Staples, and they were called bookends. I will definitely link them because they were tough to find. And they came with these little inserts that already fit into the label holders, so I just traced those out around the printed labels that I created, that way they would fit in perfectly. And then I just went ahead and cut them all out and slid them into the label holders. And also, what is super duper great about these is they are adhesive, so I can just peel them off and stick them on. So now the exciting part, I get to start sticking all the labels onto my containers and making them look super pretty and finished. And then I'm just placing them all on about 10 millimeters below the circle part. And now everything is all beautiful and labeled. So I'm also replacing these little kind of orange colored pictures in these picture frames in my bathroom with super girly pink photos here that I found from Pinterest. And it was super easy. I just picked some out, cropped them 5x7 and sent them to Costco to print out. And now they are super beautiful and really add to my bathroom. And then I'm just going to add my brand new pink fur rug. Alright, now it is time for the reveal, and surprise, all the walls are light gray now as well. And I am so excited to show you around my new and improved beautiful bathroom. So let's get right into it. So here is my new countertop. I have all my favorite perfumes right here. And then my skincare all fits perfectly in this little mirrored container, as well as some makeup items. And I have my roses, of course. And then over here I have my little pink face towel with my equally pink cup and my new Sonicare toothbrush, which is just my most favorite thing. Only I would get excited about a toothbrush as long as it's pink. And then over here is my little cabinet, which was the inspiration. I have my nail polishes in here, and then my cute little frame, and my other most favorite nail polishes, my makeup bags, self-tanner headbands, and stuff like that. And then I also have my super pretty furry white toilet seat cover, as well as my pink fur rug. And then back over here we have my drawers, which have come so far. I have some befores of these. They were not pretty before, and now after I did my little DIY drawer organizers, they look super beautiful and organized. This one's probably the least pretty of all of them. And then there's this one here. I have all my palettes and lip products, powders, and eyelashes. And then down here I have a lot of my backstock makeup and perfumes. And then I also have these super cute little frames with the artwork in them, and over here I have my little pink candle, super cute. And then in the closet, which is so improved, and I am super in love with this new organization. I am most in love with these organizers down here. And I have everything in here, like my little soft pink blow dryer. And I also just love these little labels. It makes everything so cute and girly. All right, over to my shower section. I have this brand new shower curtain that's super sparkly and pretty. And then I have these little gem shower curtain holder things. And then in here I have my super cute caddy that I got from Home Goods. And I even got this little pink soap that I saw from the store. And everything is just super glamorous and pretty in there now too. So that is pretty much the whole bathroom. I'm just gonna do one last little overview so you guys can see the whole thing kind of more together. And it did take me a while to do this whole bathroom reorganization. I probably stretched it out over the course of like 6 months. So if you're gonna reorganize your bathroom, don't expect to be done in like a week or anything. But I am super, super happy with the way it all turned out. And I think this is exactly what I had envisioned for my bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions, of course. Also give me a thumbs up if you liked the way it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.